Here we're showing a pressure washing of a porch. This porch has a lot of mildew and mold. So if we can zoom in, this is the ceiling. This is a porch ceiling. Pressure washing the whole house. I just want to take a look at this porch here though. This is the before video, so we're going to do an after video. It's going to be about a minute long video here, and then we'll do an after video. Check that one out as well. Just kind of showing the mold, mildew that's going to be cleaned up here. Pressure washing a porch. Pressure washing a house. Here's, you really see the mold here. Oh yeah, there you go. You can see it now. Mold on a porch. Painted porch. Vinyl siding. Daystar quality. Find us on the websites godaystar.com and thedeckguy.com. Do the dormers too.